Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, if you have become an NRI or OCI, whatever you say, it's very important for us to update our profile details with Indian income tax so that you are subjected to correct tax rules and there is no issue or any penalty because of this. So now it's very important to update your residency status with, or you can say your citizenship status with income tax India. So let me show you how you can do this. So guys, uh, let's see here how to do this. So because it does involve some confidential information, so instead of showing it in the form of a live video, I'm going through screenshot, but I'll be doing step by step so that you understand. So first of all, log in into your income tax profile. Okay. Here on right hand side, you see individual is written where my name was there. You have to click there. Next will come my profile. So you need to click on my profile. Here it will appear. Okay. Now for me, like PAN status active, valid passport, citizenship, others, and non-resident. So if you are like Indian national before, so citizenship will show Indian and residential status could show resident. Now, if you become an NRI, still Indian citizen, then your citizenship status will still stay Indian. Only your residential status needs to change to non-resident. But for an OCI, even citizenship status needs to be changed because India does not allow dual nationality. So the best way to change these details is click on this edit button that you see. Now here you can check, I'm sorry, citizenship, Indian other. So if you select other, you need to provide the country. Do you have a valid passport number? Then you need to provide. And this does not need to be your Indian passport, even your foreign passport, but it has to be a valid passport number. So this is very important that you must do to avoid any penalties. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.